Hello, everyone. Amanda is back from vacation, back from sunny Costa Rica. Hey, Mary. If you're tuning in tonight, if you can just let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this another day, hashtag replay. Hey, Karen. Hey, Mona. And I got some information for you guys. I am back after a long journey on the plane. It was tough, but I'm happy to be home. Back here in New York, and I have something for you guys. Hey, Karen. Hey, Richard. I have some great information for you guys. Bought out the no space, just room for work. I'm back to work, guys. Back to work. But I'm excited to be back home, even though I enjoyed Costa Rica. The weather was awesome. The different animals was great, and I had some great times. But I want to let you guys know that something is going down tomorrow, and I'm extremely excited about it because this is something like I've never experienced before. I'm not going to let all the eggs out the basket, but I am letting you guys know that tomorrow there's going to be a great program that's coming out that's going to help a lot of people that are looking to make money from home. It's going to be easy to actually get started, extremely newbie friendly. And I'm going to tell you the reason why it's going to be extremely newbie friendly. While I open up some packages, I came home to a ton of mail today, and I'm excited for all of the new people that joined. Congratulations. But while I open these up, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what is going down tomorrow. And if you're looking at direct mail, you definitely want to be a part of this invitation that I'm going to link in the comment section and in the description section of this video, because we're having a huge, massive webinar tomorrow, and you want to be there. You really want to be there just to take a look. Hey, Visha. Hey, Cheryl. Hey, Shell. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Brenda. So we have a payment that came in from Dolores from Michigan. Thanks so much for joining, Dolores. You're going to open up your package, and we're going to talk about what's going to happen tomorrow. So Dolores came in at the Sapphire level. I received a total of $300 and 2 books of stamps. So 300 and 2 books of stamps. So what I like about what's happening tomorrow is that I've never been in any opportunity where the company supplied you with stamps when you became a member. This program, you're going to get stamps as a member. You're going to get not only that, leads, and you're going to get postcards, okay? So with this program, those are some of the things that you're going to get as a member. And what I love about it is the fact that they're going to give you the stamps to get started. And that's really big, because with a lot of programs, you don't get that. And this is the first program that I've seen that includes stamps. Now, on top of that, hey, Karma, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Alicia, thanks for tuning in. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. The other thing that I love about this opportunity is that you do not have to sell anything. So that's the main thing with a lot of these opportunities. People feel like they have to sell the opportunity, they have to sell, they have to market, they have to sell, and then they get nowhere because a lot of people are not born to be a salesperson. Like, we don't get into these work from home programs to have to be a salesperson. Like, that's not what this is all about. And that's what I love about this, because this is going to be tied to a phone number where there's going to be a person on the other line that's doing all of the work for you. Now, I've heard of a ton of programs that actually do this, but none of them are actually tied to a postcard program where the closers are literally following through and they're actually there to help the person on the other end. And that's always been a problem of mine, because I don't want to send people to a phone number and they never get a return phone call. They never really speak to a live person. Therefore, they think that what they're joining or looking at is a scam. And that's been a big issue for me. If I'm going to send somebody to a phone number, I want the person on the other end to answer the call or return the call, because that's where the magic happens. When you have people who are trained to sell people stuff or close deals or answer people's questions, that is a plus. And if a program actually has that and follows through, that is extremely amazing. So That's another thing that I love about what's going on tomorrow. So you don't have to sell anything. You don't have to try to sell this to your family and friends. You don't have to try to sell this on social media. You don't have to do any of that, because there's going to be a group of people that's going to do this for you. So I'm excited about that as well. I have another payment that came in from New Jersey, from Almonte. Let me just open this up, see what we have here. Almonte came in at the Emerald level, and I received the payment from someone else. He joined someone else on my team, and I've received $20 and one book of stamps. So thank you so much, and welcome to the team, Almonte. Make sure to get with your sponsor so that you can get set up with your website and your personalized cover letter. Okay. If you're not able to get a hold of your sponsor for whatever reasons, please feel free to reach out to me. And then I have another payment that came in from Dan from Texas. We're going to go ahead and open this up. So guys, I just want everyone to try to get on this this webinar. It's going to be tomorrow night, 5:30 Eastern. And I'm going to put the information so that you can register. If anything, just take a look. I'm telling you guys, I don't promote a lot of stuff. As you guys know, I don't jump around from program to program every 2 months, every 30 days. I'm from here to here. I only get with things that I know is going to work, that's going to be easy for people to duplicate, and programs that I see longevity with. Okay. So for Impact Mailing Club, I've been with these guys since May. It's going strong. Great customer service support. It's a great opportunity. Now, what I'm promoting that's going on tomorrow, same thing. The owner I know, very transparent. It's going to be something that's going to last, and it's going to be easy for people to duplicate, and that's what you want. Hey, Stephen. Hey, Iris. Hey, Helen. Hey, David. Thanks for tuning in. So we have another payment here from Dan, and Dan came in at the Emerald level, and I received another $20 payment, one book of stamps. So thanks so much, Dan. Great to have you a part of the team. So yes, it's going down tomorrow, guys. We have about 700 people that's going to be on this call that has registered to be a part of this opportunity so far. It's going to be a pre-launch for 1 week. And guys, the bonuses are amazing. Stamps included, people to close the sales for you. And there's going to be, you can get in at the lowest level, which would be like $100, all the way up to $4,000. So you can pick and choose where you want to be based off of how much you want to make and what your budget is. But I've never been in any postcard program, any type of program at all that's been direct mail that's going to work like this program. Never. Okay. So I'm excited. We have a payment from Ariel from Florida, Miami, Florida. I love Miami. Got great food and great drinks in Miami. So let's see what we have here. Here's the package that I got in the mail. Gonna open this up, see what we have. Guys, Costa Rica, if you've never been, Playa Conchal. Great location, great people. It was very, very nice. Okay, so she signed up at the Sapphire level and joined someone else on my team. And I received a $100 payment and 2 books of stamps. So thanks so much, Ariel. Glad to have you a part of the team. So again, guys, in the comment section, you will have the information to register for this webinar tomorrow. Again, guys, you don't want to miss it. You're going to be blown away with the information and what's about to happen. It's going to change a lot of lives. It's going to help a lot of people, and people are not going to have to feel like a salesperson. They don't have to feel like they have to struggle to get consistent payouts with this program. We have Joy from North Carolina. I'm going to open up the package. Joy from North Carolina. Guys, I came back to a full mailbox. I mean, full. And that's always a good thing. Always a good thing. So Joy from North Carolina. I'm going to go ahead and open up this payment. And Joy joined at the Ruby level, and that is $150 payment and 2 books of stamps. Okay, so I don't know, but how many people out there are in a program where you get stamps when you sign up? You get stamps, so you don't even have to worry about mailings. You're gonna get the stamps, so you could go ahead and start your mailings. Okay, you're gonna get the postcards. You're gonna get a ton of stuff, training, offline and online training. If you want to market outside of what the closers do for you, you're gonna be able to do that. We have Mr. Rucker from Maryland. Mr. Rucker from Maryland. Open up, see what we have here. Mr. Rucker. Okay, came in at the sapphire level. Okay, and I received a money order for $100 and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Mr. Rucker. Glad to have you a part of the team. And last but not least, see what we have here. Okay, this one didn't come with anything. I'm gonna have to call this person. I don't know. That came empty. We have one more here. I'm gonna open this up. This came in from Jamar from Virginia. Jamar from Virginia. Okay. Jamar came in at the, let's see what we have here. The Emerald level. Join me directly, and that is a $65 payment and 1 book of stamps. So thanks so much, Jamar. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, so again, guys, I'm excited. I would like for everyone to just be a part of this webinar tomorrow, get more information about the program. Take a look at it. It's up to you if it's something you want to do. But again, like I said, my first postcard program was in 2016. It was nothing like what is going to be presented tomorrow. I have not been in a postcard program ever since. The only other program I've been in is direct flyer programs, okay? And flyer programs, I love them. But the element that is what's coming with this postcard program, I've never seen anything like it. And it's going to really allow people to do less work, receive more, and start to earn quickly. And that's what you want. You want to have someone that's going to do the closings for you, do the selling and telling for you, be there to answer all of the questions that you may not have the answer to. Why not be able to send people to a phone number where they can get all of the questions that they need answered? They can get started immediately. They can pay electronically, or they can send in payments through the mail. The payments go to you directly, member to member, okay? No middleman, all right? And it's going to be phenomenal. So we're going to be in pre-launch for 1 week. It starts tomorrow. Please attend this webinar. If you are interested in earning money from home, you're looking for a direct mail program, you want something where you don't have to feel like a salesperson, this is where you want to be. So I look forward to seeing as many people in the webinar tomorrow. Thanks so much for viewing my video. Thanks to everyone that joined the Impact Mailing Club. I shout you out. Make sure that you reach out to your sponsor and get set up so that you can have ultimate success with this opportunity. And I'll be back with you guys tomorrow. So have a great night.